Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Nick here, and we're going to do a 4S run around the park. Hopefully you enjoy this show. It's going to be amazing. Shit. Oh, damn it. Wasn't much I could do about that. Oh, shit. Whew, man. Okay. Damn. That is really irritating, man. I don't know what it is about these fans. So this was the GWS fan. The motor, I'm sure, is totally okay. It's blown another fan. Those fan blades. Don't know what's happening. Whew. Landing the SuperEZ hot. No power. I had really no way of landing other than almost straight into those tanks over here. So I'm gonna go and check out the damage. There's no damage to the airframe. I didn't hit anything. Oh man, fan blades. So frustrating. Oh, so anyway, today I got rid of the floats for the SuperEZ, swapped them, and I've got some new props. So I'm probably going to try those on the Tundra. This is really frustrating. This is the second EDF that I've blown up. Yep, SuperEZ's fine. This is why you record your flights, people. There we go. No fan. Who would have thought? And the plane is fine. Look at it. It's totally fine. So what do? Just get another duct and housing for this thing, or there's always something going wrong, isn't there? I would have thought this thing would have held up a bit more. It was recommended for 3 and 4S. I've got a 4S pack in it. I'm really frustrated. Have I mentioned that I'm frustrated? Boy. So have a look at her. There's just no fan. So I think I'm going to have a bit of a look around and see what happened. The whole thing just came off. It hasn't shattered anything. I mean, if you look inside, let's get some better light here. There's nothing broken at all. I mean, the fan has just come off the motor shaft. So maybe GWS just supply fans. I just need a fan and well, it's really just a fan, isn't it? And a screw to screw the fan onto the prop shaft. I have the housing. The housing is fine. So I might give the guy I bought this equipment from a tingle and just let him know what's happened. I don't know. Maybe there'll be some recompense. So let's have a look around. There won't be any more flying this afternoon, sadly, but I've got some good footage. So the first part of this video will be the fly around. It's probably the highest I've been with the SuperEZ. Not maybe even the SuperEZ without the old EDF on top. So let's have a look around. Kind of frustrated too because this is the EDF that came out of the Lippisch. So frustration factor. Let's have a look at this fan blade. I think it came off around here somewhere. Someone's gonna find this bit of plastic. See if we can find any remnants. Not the best time of day to go looking for it because there's so many shadows. I thought I found it before, but it was just a bunch of feathers. So what happened to me last time, I was looking for bits and bobs, but when you got to land, you got to focus on the plane. Ah, found it. This is one part. There you go. That is crazy. Cool. Crazy and crazy cool and crazy frustrating. I don't think I'm going to find the rest of it. If it is around here, it's going to be reasonably close, I would imagine. I think that might have been a sign, guys. I saw on Facebook Marketplace a deal. Retractable landing gear, 3 of them, plus I think it was an 80 millimeter or 70 mil. I think it was an 80 millimeter EDF with a 100 amp ESC for 150 bucks. I might be able to get them down a bit. We need a new EDF. We need a new EDF. We need a new one of these, but is this justification enough to spend somewhere between 100 and 150 bucks for a new? Wouldn't that be cool? But somehow I'd have to fit a 6S battery. Man, Bruce from XJet, if you are watching this, I highly doubt you are. I saw a video of Tim flying his SuperEZ on 6S. How and where did he fit that 6S battery? Was it in that battery compartment? It is so cramped. I don't know how he did it. Is it under the wing? I don't know. I didn't see that part of the video. This might be another amazing, incredible SuperEZ modification where we have 6S ducted fan on the SuperEZ. This is nuts. Anyway, this afternoon is absolutely glorious. I've got a new prop to fit, 2 new props to try on the Durafly Tundra that I swapped for the floats that I'm, let's admit it, never going to use on the SuperEZ. We've had drama, we've had mayhem. This is exactly what you can expect from life with Nick and Hayley when Nick goes flying RC planes and Hayley stays at home. So yeah, this is it. New fan, or shall I go for the whole new 80mm 6S EDF on the SuperEZ? I'll let you guys be the judge. Anyway, I hope you're well. I am not so well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.